think it could be Puss in Boots?
Fear me if you dare.
Yes, Puss, you're coming with us.
That's it! You all saw it! President Quark failed the mighty beast!
Someone want to get Fatty McMouth breather and oxygen mask? I'm not gonna carry him if he passes out.
Ratchet? Ratchet?
Yeah, pal?
I believe I may have found something.
What you got?
Hollow Diary, entry 005. They came during the night. Hundreds of them. And they attacked without warning. I stood atop Zuzo Fields and watched in horror as Commander Spog and his armies lay waste to Uzo City. Through ribbons of fire, I saw my creation. Bloated and terrible. A deadly moon hanging silently amongst the destruction. Ephemerus. What plans does my enemy have for this ark? I can't explain it, but I feel as if some dark fate haunts us all from the future. And Ephemerus is the key. These things will not stop with madness. We are simply the first steps. And I, Dr. Frumpus Croyd, cannot shake the feeling that it was my work that made it possible.
According to this hollow journal, whoever is controlling Ephemerus has a plan for these monsters. Ratchet, I have a bad feeling about this.
Yes, this must be going on around here. Whoever done this to the poor creature?
We must find Commander Spog at once. Your voice modulator is damaged, Commander. But if you tell us how to defeat Ephemerus, I believe I know someone who can fix you.
Ratchet, could you fix him as well?
We'll check in with him right now. I've got everything under control, Tal.
Well, I don't like to brag, but I did modify my crotchetizer with a special vibrating function I call the Happy Platypus.
Are you insane?
If I may, being evil has not worked out well for you these last few years. Perhaps using your intelligence for good will yield better results.
Would you do that for us? And I will do that for you. You see, Puss cat's eyes.
All right, fine. But speak of this to no one.
All right, Spock. We did our part. Now, how do we defeat Ephemerus?
Only the Architect knows. He lives beyond the lighthouse, in the forest of the Blue Rocks.
You did the right thing, Doctor.
Yeah,